A positive gap score means that you have exceeded their expectations, and a negative gap score means that you did not meet their expectations for that particular key indice. In our example earlier with all 3 key indice questions, this is what it would look like. By calculating this gap score, you can now very easily understand whether or not each key indice exceeds, meets, or falls short of their expectations. Imagine if you had 20 or 30 key indices and you had the ability to calculate gap scores on every one of them. Consolidating all the different key indices and their scores together is called a plus-minus grid. The image on the screen is an example of that. The left-hand column contains all of the abbreviated key indice areas, and then sample and value scores are displayed. The 5th and final pillar is that the entire intelligence process should be repeatable. In other words, this should not be a one-off solution. You should be able to gather information over and over with the proper process in place for a particular intelligence program. Those 3 pages of notes would have been what generated the 3 key indice questions. And those key indices have to be strategic in nature. If your key indices were not strategic, you would be wasting your time and getting information on things that your organization wouldn't be able to use to make those critical decisions. Thanks again from the course management team at the Academy, and we look forward to being there to help guide you with our online intelligence solutions.